Mulberry.
Okay, roll over. Or correction, you got him pitted out. Pitted out.
Vehicle pitted out, Little Mulberry.
Get your hands up! Get your fucking hands up!
We're getting up on 64, going west.
I'll call it 21, get up there. Fortunately, we just took the 2A. We're both 1037. We're coming into Van Buren. PD, we're coming into your city on 64 right now from 540.
Mulberry, Charles, 3283, RNC, 3283.
Okay, U-turn. We're making a U-turn. We're going back eastbound on 64.
Eastbound 64.
Let that rolling PD unit, he needs to get out of my way.
All right, let's set the scene. Trooper Price is now in pursuit of a black Chevrolet Silverado that has just refused a traffic stop. And listen to the urgency in his voice. He's not just chasing. He's already requesting a K9 unit during a high-speed pursuit. That's a major indicator. Officers don't call for a police dog in the middle of a moving chase unless they strongly suspect something serious, drugs, firearms, or a felony offense, inside that vehicle. This stopped being a simple traffic violation a long time ago. The stakes have just skyrocketed.
I can get up there with a dog. Speed 78, we're still eastbound on 64, coming up to 282.
10-4, 64 and 282.
We're coming up to 282 now. We're passing 282, still eastbound, speed's 100.
10-4, passing 282, speed's 100 eastbound.
Let Alamo PD know.
10-4. Pity. Good speed.
Now, I mean, we're putting people's lives at risk. We might go ahead and pit them. It's got a Texas 28 newer model Chevy Silverado pickup. Don't pit them towards the median. 21, I'd get him right there just past Sunnyside. There's no houses. It's nothing but a big field right there. We're still eastbound, speed 95. Is H4 monitoring?
10-4 is monitoring, eastbound, speed 85.
Speed's 100. I'm in the left lane. Light traffic. Speed's 96. Passing Pepper Source.
10-4 passing Pepper Source, speed's 100. 29, I just got on.
10-4. 21, I don't know if you want to mess with it or not. My unit's already got damage, but I don't have side fenders, so it's liable to tear my car up even more. Speed's 100, left lane. We're coming up to a semi right now, so you're going to have to do something.
The dynamics of this pursuit are changing by the second. The driver is now exceeding 100 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone, weaving through light traffic. Trooper Price's top priority has shifted to public safety. He's calling for spike strips to end this before an innocent driver gets hurt. But at the same time, he's coordinating units to prepare for a pit maneuver. This is a high-speed chess match, and every decision has to be made on a board that's moving at over 120 miles an hour.
We're passing Griner Construction. Griner Construction. Let Alamo PD know we're fixing to be coming through their city. I'll have to try to get spikes set up.
10-4 Griner Construction. I'm going to hop on their channel.
Speed's 100. Coming up to a red light. Traffic's light.
Do we know who this is?
Clear left, clear right. I think it looks like a rental truck. Speed's 90. We're passing Old Concord. 21's trying to move up for a pit.
10-4 Old Concord.
Speed's 100. We're coming up to Twin Bridges.
10-4, speed 100, coming from bridges.
.21 now would be a good time. Speed's 100. We're coming up to city limits Alma.
10-4, speed's 100, coming down the city limits.
Coming into the city of Alma, speed's 90. Light traffic, coming up to a red light. Rudy Road, stand by. Blue through an intersection. We're continuing on eastbound.
10-4, eastbound, city of Alma. Check Mulberry in the county, see if anybody can get spikes for you. 10-4, they've already been notified.
We've been continued through Alma. We're passing Mountain Grove Road, speed's 100. Clear left, clear right.
10-4, Mountain Grove Road, speed's 100.
Passing the funeral place, speed's still 100.
10-4, speed's 100, passing the funeral place.
We're passing the storage unit place here on 64, speed's 100.
10-4, speed's 100. 21, if he slows down any and you feel comfortable, go ahead and pit him. You find a spot.
This is the first major escalation. Watch closely. A pit maneuver at these speeds is extremely dangerous. The objective is to make contact with the rear quarter panel and force the suspect into a controlled spin. But the driver isn't cooperating. He's actively swerving to counter the maneuver. At this point, this is no longer just fleeing. This is active evasion, which carries far more serious charges. Every aggressive swerve increases the risk of catastrophic consequences. The tension in Trooper Price's voice tells you everything. You're dealing with someone who is absolutely determined not to stop.
He keeps trying to dodge 21's pit. He's swerving all over the place. Speed's 83. 21 is trying. He's trying pretty hard to get him pitted out. The guy's swerving at him. We still have a rolling PD unit behind us. We're passing Oric Road, speed's 85.
10-4, Oric Road, speed's 85.
Passing Edwards Road, speed's 90.
Edwards Road, speed 90. Smith, let Franklin County know also. 10-4, Franklin County.
We're passing, coming up to the golf course, River Valley Golf Course. Speed's 95.
10-4, River Valley, speed 95.
He's still trying to pit him out. Speed's 95. The guy's still swerving. Still light traffic. Coming up the city of Dyer. Speed's 80.
10-4, Dyer, city limit, speed's 80. 4 to 21, if you take a little pressure off of him, see if he'll slow down some, and we'll just try to like.
Okay, we've pitted him out. He's got back on the roadway.
10 corner.
Stand by. We're back eastbound on 64. 21, you may have to get up there. I don't know if my car's going to make it.
Listen to this moment. The PIT attempt fails, and now the trooper's patrol car is damaged. This is the unfiltered reality of police pursuits. Vehicles get destroyed, and plans don't always work. What was meant to be a controlled maneuver has turned into major mechanical damage. And despite that, the suspect is still fleeing, now pushing past 110 miles per hour. This pursuit has already caused thousands of dollars in damage, and both sides are being pushed to their absolute limits. The real question is this: what could possibly be inside that truck that makes stopping feel like a worse option than continuing?
I got quite a bit of damage, I think.
Eastbound 63. I don't know what's wrong with my unit. Go.
Yeah, I'm having issues too. It was a black male driver.
Are you still in?
Passing River Road, speed's 110. I don't know what's wrong with my car. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to stay in it.
10 for River Road 110. Franklin County has spiked up at the county line. Just keep behind him until you get there. If you find a safe space to pit, go ahead if you slow down. Coming back to you, 29. I had to shut it off and turn it on and reset it.
All right, we're coming up to exit 20.
10 for exit 20, still on 64.
Yeah, we're eastbound on 64, coming towards Mulberry.
10 for eastbound on 64, coming in Mulberry.
All right, we continued on, passing Dollar General, speed's 85. 21, you're going to have to get up here.
10 for passing Dollar General, speed's 85.
All right, we're coming up to Merle Lane, it looked like, Merle Lane.
10 for Merle Lane, 64 eastbound. I can't get this unit out of my way.
The truck has driver's side damage now from my pit.
10 for driver's side damage.
He's passing somebody on the right shoulder.
10 for passing right shoulder.
Speed 62. I need a charger up here. This guy's got too much takeoff and get-go. Come on, 21. Keep your speed up. All right, we're coming up to the Little Mulberry. Speed's still 100.
10 for Little Mulberry, speed's 100.
We got to get him in right here, 21.
Truck up here.
Speed's 100. We're passing Little Mulberry.
10 for speed's 100, passing Little Mulberry.
Okay, roll over. Or correction, you got him pitted out. Pitted out.
10 for pitted out, Little Mulberry.
Get your hands up! Get your fucking hands up! Get move! Get your hands up! Shut it off! Shut the truck off!
All right. We got him stopped. Passenger, shut up!
And there it is. The final pit maneuver is successful. But pay attention to what happens next. Weapons are drawn immediately. Why? Because after a 15-minute pursuit at extreme speeds, officers have no idea who they are dealing with or what weapons might be inside that vehicle. They identify multiple occupants, which dramatically raises a risk. This is the most dangerous moment of the entire incident. Commands are loud, direct, and repeated. This isn't intimidation, it's survival protocol. Emotions are high, adrenaline is maxed out, and one wrong move could change everything.
Passenger, open the door from the outside. Everybody hold what you got. Hold what you got. Get out of the truck and get on the ground. You try anything, you're going to get shot. Get out of the ground.
Come to me. Turn away. Turn away.
Go to the other side. Go to the other side.
Hands up. As high as you get them up to the roof.
Hey, cover me. Just cover me. Everybody cover me. Cover me. He's got a seatbelt issue. Get over there with them.
Backwards. Back.
Roll down that back window. And if you try anything funny, you're getting shot. Roll that window down right now. I'm asking you to roll the window down. Take your seatbelt off and get out. You try anything funny, you're going to get shot.
4-4 Smith, call Mulberry or somebody. Get somebody to get a unit out there.
We're 1050. We got several units. We got 3 at gunpoint.
Face away.
4-4 at gunpoint.
Go to the other side. I'll cover him.
Back.
Oh. $10-15, $10-15, 3 times.
10-4, 10-15, 3 times. Good job, guys. Let's do me a favor. Put on the 7, see if you've got a 20 Charger. I'm on the rim. Careful.
Yeah. Hit my knee when I rammed him.
So I'm probably going to need a record.
Where are we at?
You're at a little Mulberry 64.
4-4 Smith, do Larry's. Careful.
Man. You good?
I'm good, man. I work interdiction over there in Roland, and initiated the traffic stop. I walk up. I noticed he wasn't getting off the brakes. I walked up, told him on down the back window. As soon as I did that, he just hauled ass. Swerved at me a couple times going over the state line.
Yeah. We ID'd him or inventoried the truck or anything. Where's your ID at?
Here's the pack. I'll take all this stuff because I got damage. Oh, you got damage.
A lot of mine was already there. My radiator's busted, I think, maybe. It was smoking.
You need a record too then, huh?
I don't know.
I've got one coming because my tire's out and I don't have a spare like that.
He's probably got a spare for you he can use for right now. What about Mulberry? What's your last name?
Smith.
What you running for?
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Shaffer.
Spell it.
S-H-A-F-F-E-R.
S-H-A-F-F-E-R.
F-F-E-R.
What's your last name, Smith? What's your date of birth?
12-13-89.
Where you out of?
What do you mean?
Where you live?
I live in Arkansas.
Where in Arkansas you do? Fort Smith, name and date of birth?
Go ahead.
No. Black male subject. Last name Smith. First of Shaffer. Date of birth 1989, 12-13. 12-13-89. Break. I got a 28.
Go ahead with 28.
Texas. Robert Mary Charles. 3283. Robert Mary Charles. 3283.
Campbell, can you deny his first name? Your radio shut down now.
Sam, Henry, Adam, Frank, Edward, Robert.
Yeah.
Just hang on to it from right now.
And I was so confused.
Just sit there and shut your mouth.
Got that screwdriver in the console there, so I don't know what they're unscrewing these through.
No return out of Arkansas.
You're lying about your name.
That's why I have to, so I can just keep it forward. Stop the bullshit.
Dude.
Just dead, man. I don't want no problems.
Just get up. Hop up.
I got a brain tumor.
Yeah. Well, brain tumor didn't keep you from running from the police and act like an idiot. I don't care who you are now.
Trying to be out. Trying to be up for. I was just scared, man.
Dude, are you kidding me right now?
No, sir.
I mean, we run 130 mile an hour from the state line, okay? Before Oklahoma even gets involved. Oklahoma's in it way before we were, okay? And you're going to put everybody's lives at risk running 130 mile an hour, weaving in and out of traffic, blowing through intersections. You almost killed a family in freaking Alma, okay? And then you're going to drive like a fool and try and do this, tear all these cars up for what? Because you're scared?
No, it was because we had a...
Get in the car.
Can I get some AC? I really have...
Get in the car. I don't want to hear another excuse.
Yeah. You just 1019 for your unit. Okay. You should make all that date 7. Smith, 1019.
Hello, sit down.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Don't panic, you hear me?
What do you mean?
It's over with. I got pulled over.
This is where things get interesting. While sitting in the back of the patrol car, the driver, identified as Robert Regal, is already on the phone. And listen carefully. He's not panicking. He's planning. He's talking about selling the dogs, avoiding charges, and possibly being extradited. He even mentions a lawyer he hasn't paid. This doesn't sound like a first-time offender. This sounds like someone with prior history and serious legal exposure. And then there's a pregnant woman in the back, claiming she barely knows these guys. Piece by piece, the stories start to fall apart, and it becomes clear this was never just a traffic stop.
I'm so serious. I'm in the back of the police car now.
Say.
I'm not playing, baby. I'm not playing.
Okay, if he's playing like right now.
I'm not playing. Just. I'm not playing.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Hey, man.
Yes, sir.
You good? Need an ambulance or anything?
No, sir. My back. Y'all wrecked the car. Y'all hit my back, and I really got a tumor in my head.
Okay. Hey, what's your last name?
Regal.
Spell it.
R-E-G-A-L.
G-A-L?
Yes.
First name?
Robert.
What's your date of birth?
November 3rd, 91.
November 3rd, 91?
Yes.
Where are you out of?
I'm November 6th. I'm sorry.
Where are you out of?
I'm out of Dallas.
You got a Texas ID?
Not with me.
You got a Texas driver's license?
Yes. And an ID. That's just not with me.
You know you have the right to remain silent. Things they can be used against the court of law. You have the right to attorney present for any questioning.
Yes, sir.
Can't afford attorney. Want to be appointed, no additional charge.
Huh?
What's your address on your license?
12204 Hoplersville.
Okay. Yeah, you're full of crap. You lied about that too. That's all right though. I'm gonna ID you here in a second with a fingerprint.
Hello.
Yeah. I don't know. Let me see if I can share my location.
Come and grab him.
How do I share my location? I'm in a message thing right now. I'm on your message.
Yes, okay. On my messages, you're going to go under my name.
Yeah.
And then it says, send my current location. Like, you click on...
I just did it.
Oh, my God. Okay, I got it. I don't know where exactly. Oh my God.
Let me give you my lawyer number, man.
I'm ready. Take this number. Put this number on your phone.
Damn, I don't have his.
What was his name? I
Bill.
I got it in my phone.
Bill Price.
Bill Price. Okay, I'm sure I got it. Yes. Oh, God. Man, I know it was a fucking reason. It was a fucking reason.
Yeah.
Okay, talk to me. What do you need me to do?
Just let my pops know what the play is. I ain't paid my lawyer or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Just the same shit. I just need you to sell them pups and keep shit going. You know what I'm saying? Keep shit going while, you know what I'm saying? I gotta finish paying my lawyer. They probably gotta extradite me back to back down there. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to watch what I say because everything is recorded in this back seat.
I know.
Yeah. And his car just died. Probably ran out of gas or something. So they probably gonna come back to this motherfucker.
Okay. Shit. Alright, baby. I'm calling Daddy.
Nah, don't hang up with me yet. I need to take advantage of this shit as much as I can. You can call him from another phone.
Say it again?
You can call him from another phone.
Okay, hold on.
Hey.
Yes.
Listen, you know I love you, right?
Yes, babe, I know. I know.
I'm finna be gone. I'm finna be down probably for a little second.
I know.
Come on, baby. Don't do that, baby. Stay strong for me.
I'm gonna give him a return on him. He has 54 alias, Florida and Texas. I've also tried both of those and nothing. Okay, so this is 54. Vehicle. Didn't know. Then he got a driver's license. Vehicle.
Is it the 6996?
Nah, it's the hold on. It's the 214-563-8884.
Mine for another 1011 for this Texas, man. And if you don't mind whoever's coming to see if they've got a rack or whatever we can put this thing up on.
How many people was in the car?
Vehicle.
Me, Kiki.
421, it's Larry, so we can bring it over here. Okay, well he's coming from my car. So I've got a blow up front left rim and tires.
Huh?
And I don't have the spare.
Huh?
But we're going to need one for this truck to get it out of here. So look underneath it.
I can't see you, babe.
404 Smith, let Larry know we need another for that car as well.
Say it again.
No,
Yeah, please. Hold on. I'm sure that he does have a spare.
I can't hear. Say it again.
He's checking.
Go now.
What they pulled you over for?
I don't know, man.
404 Smith also let Larry know about
I don't know why they pulled me over. I guess because I ran.
Yeah, man, you won't run and get back there.
I ran and they wrecked us out.
Yeah, 10-4 if we need that rack, and then He's aware. I just stopped by there a second ago. He's aware of that extra tire, but I wasn't sure which one we needed, so let him know.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Did you tell him who it was?
Huh?
Nothing. I'm still trying to get your daddy on the other line. Man, I knew it was easy. I ain't been feeling good since last night. Oh, I'm sorry. I know it's not what you need to say.
It's all good, baby. I understand.
Oh, God. He's not answering. I guess he's working.
It's alright.
It's time to call him, though.
I need somebody to pull up to my lawyer office because he don't be answering.
I'll do it first thing tomorrow. Make sure we got the right one. It was the 563-8864, right?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm trying to reset my phone.
Sorry, baby.
It's alright, baby. I just asked, you know my biggest thing.
I know, babe. I'm gonna try, I promise.
Nah, what you mean you gonna try?
To keep it all together.
No, I just care about me coming home to you.
No, that's done. I'm talking about everything else. Maintaining and maintaining.
Shall I come help you?
Mulberry's got to take the answer in, and also going to get it from his house, and he'll bring it to me here. Yeah, problem solved.
Fuck, I knew it. I wanted to tell you so bad not to go.
I sure wish you would.
Nowhere.
Be quiet. Hey, so the car cut off. You been an asshole to me. Put that shit the fuck up, bitch.
I don't know if I'm gonna need a wrecker or not. My unit, it died and wouldn't start, and I got it back started now, so I'm gonna try to limp it in, but I'll let you know.
Okay, 29.
Damn, it's hot.
Hello?